green! Let's get into fun green facts.
Human eyes can see the most shades of green compared to other colors. Scientists think it's because we see so much green in our daily lives, especially in nature. We can detect more than 300 shades. Chlorophyll is a pigment that gives plants their green color. It also helps plants create their own food through a process called photosynthesis.
This saying, "you've got a green thumb," means you have a talent for taking care of plants. And when someone says, "go green," it means let's do something good for the environment. Emerald is the May birthstone. The gemstone's green color is said to symbolize springtime's renewal and growth.
Ireland is nicknamed the Emerald Isle. Ireland's famous green landscape is even visible from space. Ireland's lush green hue comes from lots of rainy days and a mild climate.
Sloths have green algae on their coats. They live in humid rainforests and algae thrives on their brown fur. Their greenish coat also helps sloths camouflage amongst the leaves in their treetop homes. Anne of Green Gables is the most famous book written in Canada. It was written by Lucy Maud Montgomery in 1908 and has sold over 50 million copies and translated into over 30 different languages.
Evergreen trees stay green all year long. These include trees with conifers like pine and spruce. They can stay green all year long and don't lose their leaves.